Okay, so this is how I do my 3D printing files. So I'm just gonna show you the actual app itself. Whew. The clones. That's a hot screen right there. So I use the thing Ultimaker Cura. Ignore all the other stuff, I have a shit ton of apps. And essentially what it is it allows you to pick your printer. So mine's the Creality Ender 3 with the generic PLA, the 0.4 millimeter nozzle, standard quality. I leave all this kind of the same. Supports, I leave on, that kind of stuff. It just allows for like different stuff. So the print speed, so it's 45 millimeters per second. And I also do a lot of the like stuff like with the print speed and that kind of stuff in the actual printer itself, so I don't really touch that much. So I'm just gonna pick a file to print. I don't actually have my thing in, or else it would be coming in from this side. Let's see. I printed this, so let's print this. This is the back. I have to move this over because my right side doesn't exactly work anymore, and I don't know why. So this is just kind of how it is. Actually, let me pick an easier one. Go away, go away. Give it time, because it likes to be an ass and literally disregard everything. Delete selected, okay. So let's see. I have the previous little helmet, that's what I'm working on. So I have this, no, that's not what I want. Let's go the Hobbit ring. The Hobbit ring's easier. So I actually have this printed out, and I just move it to the side that I want, and so you can kind of see like where it sits at. So on my printer, which is right there, it sits right about to the center part, like where that nozzle is. Because you can also see the logo right there, and then I just hit slice, and this will slice it into the individual layers so it can actually print easily. So then if I were to show per model settings, printer support, modify, that's not what I want. So this would take 29 minutes to save to disk, and it only takes about 3 grams of filament. And yeah, that's kind of it. You just kind of put it in there, figure out what you want, and then you can also change this. So if yours isn't the Creality Ender 3, then you can but like I just have add printer. That's not what I want. Manage printers. So you just can kind of pick and choose what you want.